Oris Greenopolis, Sector 89. This is a beautiful garden in between the towers. These are the towers, and it's a spacious 3 BHKs, size 1910 square feet and 1957 square feet, available for sale and rent. And we have some good deals, registry case deals. Kindly DM us if you are interested. Thank you for watching us. Have a good day. Bye bye.